Everyone has their own best method, and this is mine, but it is not permanent. In the future, it might change because orientation and sport is a skill set that require experience and experiment. Hello everyone, let's set your advanced support settings. You could check the advanced support setting by clicking this icon here, and then the submenu for advanced support settings will show up. Input the cross structure diameter into 0.8 millimeters. Cross enable. Cross start height at 0.05 millimeters. So you want to have the bracing start as low as possible the moment you put your support. Minimum spacing of cross structure 0.5 millimeters, and then maximum spacing of cross structure is 5 millimeters. Oops, sorry. So whenever it moves beyond 5 millimeters, and the bracing will be gone. And then make sure you tick the generate bidirectional cross structure. So if there is a gap between two supports, and then you want to generate a support, it will connect the bracing. If you don't tick the generate bidirectional cross structure, this will happen. See, it will not connect to this support here. Turn it on. There. After you finish, input the settings here. You should click save and then repeat on each advanced support settings on each size of your support. I'm sure some of you might ask, why don't I just share the support settings? Let me show you why. Here I open a new printer. The settings are all default by CHITUBOX. And then I input my support settings, all supports. See, it becomes messy. And why is that? Because the default support, you cannot delete them. I asked CHITUBOX several times to let us have the ability to delete the default support, but still no change. See, super heavy, and then the big daddy, and then light, and then everything is so messed up. And that is why I highly suggest you to input your settings manually. This bracing here, it has to connect among all the supports. And just like in real life where you would build a bridge or any tall building, you want to make sure that the building support are all connected and stable. And you will also see why it is important in the next video. See you guys, and thank you for watching.